I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming access and cleaning the dataset in Qualtrics, so SPSS receives only final responses. Once done, go straight to Data and Analysis, choose Export and Import, and pick SPSS. Salve. Make sure to select whether you want numeric codes or choice text for responses. Numeric codes are usually best for analysis. Also choose to include variable and value labels. Download the SAV file. This single built-in SPSS export is the only reliable direct route. Once you've initiated the SPSS export, check the advanced options, choose numeric codes, and enable variable and value labels so SPSS reads factors correctly. Include embedded data fields if you need respondent-level metadata, and set date/time to ISO to avoid localization problems. After confirming options, click Export and download the SAV. Save the original Qualtrics project file too. It helps if you need to re-export with different options. This step ensures your SAV matches SPSS expectations for variable types and labels. You now open the downloaded SAV in SPSS and immediately check variable view. Confirm types, numeric vs string, value labels, and user missing value settings. Once verified, run frequencies on key items to ensure coding matches expectations. If something is wrong, use recode into different variables or apply value labels commands, then save your corrected SAV and an SPSS syntax file to reproduce fixes. If import fails, the key troubleshooting tip is to re-export using CSV or SPSS with numeric codes and check character encoding before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.